Hi guys, got a 2024 Nissan Z. That's what it sounds like before. Idle. Give it some gas. Goes to stop. At around 90.2 on the sound decibels. So, we're gonna take all the stock system off. We got an AWE system we're gonna put on it. We'll let you guys hear it when we're finished.
2024 Nissan Z. This is what it looks like before. We let you hear what it sounded like before. Now we're gonna show you guys what it looks like before. There's the mufflers. There's Nissan's X-Pipe. And then we're gonna start here. We're gonna put a full catback system. There's the cats on it, by the way. We're gonna do a full AWE catback system from there. As you guys can see, there's the flanges all the way back. There's the AWE system. It's still in the box. Here's the part number right there. 3020-32400. There it is, AWE. Stay tuned, guys. All right, so we showed you guys what it sounded like before and what it looked like before. 2024 Nissan Z. So let me show you guys what we've done to it. As you guys can see, it's still got the factory converter there and there, but now it's got a full AWE track system, 3-inch, all the way back with an X-Pipe right there. And then 2 resonators in the middle, and then tailpipes with no resonators out the back on each side, there and right there. And then it's finished off nicely, actually, with 5-inch double wall tips. He didn't have a hard time fitting anything in. It fit in really nice and perfect. AWE did a good job. It fit really nice and perfect on there, as you guys can see. And it's really nice and clean. Just a nice system all the way through. And then there's the old system that was on it. Oh, like 1 3/4. I never understood why they did that on these. 1 3/4 all the way back into a giant muffler right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe.
2024 Nissan Z 3.0 twin turbo V6. Got its stock cats right there and right there. And as you can see, we installed a nice new catback system by Stillen all the way back. Fit perfectly, no issues. Basically a straight pipe system with an X-pipe with some carbon fiber tips. You see right there, Stillen. Really nice system. Fit really nicely. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. And as always, subscribe.
2024 Nissan Z. This is after with AWE track system. Catback. Again. That's clean. It's not too loud. It's not crazy. It is turbo too, right? It is? Yeah. Yeah, it's a clean sound. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 8. Again? Yeah, 87. That's not bad. You guys don't know that's the old system that's on it? All 1 3/4. Yeah. Now it's a full 3-inch system. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop at 3560 Dickerson Pike. Here's our phone number, 615-612-6244. Here we go. I'm glad it stopped raining so we can record this video, the rest of it. Go ahead. Such a deep tone. Sorry for the rain, guys, in the traffic, but it is 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Here's sound decibels. One more. Peaked at 106. Sounds really good. All right, go and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust in Nashville, Tennessee. If you have any questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. I love these new Zs. I like how they did the retro look. Comes out really nicely. Carbon fiber tips. Oh, that's beautiful. That's so nice. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
Nissan Z with a full AWE track system catback. Oh yeah, that's clean. That's perfect. What do you guys think? Let me know.
There's everything we cut off of it right there. And there's the 2024 Nissan Z. What do you guys think? Did Nissan do a good job with these? Should they have done something different? I think they're nice. Rear wheel drive, V6 twin turbo. Some of them come in a manual. Can't beat it, man. And 400 horsepower. Beautiful.